So yun, we're group 4. And OMG, brace yourselves. We're sharing our dream PC and promise it's literally life changing. Like, grabe na to. Aether Pro. Next slide. About Aether Pro. The Aether Pro is a complete computer setup for people who do it all. It's perfect for your job, your creative hobbies, and for high level gaming. All the parts are designed to work together perfectly, giving you amazing speed for any task while keeping your desk neat and tidy. This means buying many separate devices which clutters your desk and can be complicated. It's like computer set up now for people who literally do it all. It's so great for your work grind, your hobbies, or type for like super high level gaming. Kaya lahat. Tapos, all its parts are talaga designed to work together perfectly. So it gives you amazing speed for any task. May I call on David, Miranda for our setup PUC?
So moving on to the sketch of our setup. This sketch presents a well-organized and sustainable workstation setup focused on efficiency and practicality. The monitor is placed on the center of the desk as usual, with the webcam placed above it for the clear communication. On the left side sits the case, which also integrates as the printer and a cooling system, helping reduce clutter and maximizing space. The keyboard and mouse are positioned directly in front for the comfortable use. This is as per usual. And the speakers are placed behind the monitor for the clear audio. And then the headphones resting neatly beside the keyboard. For those wondering why there are speakers and then headphones, this is so you get the best of both worlds. You can have speakers to blast music quickly, and you get headphones for when you're gaming or for when you just want the sounds to go directly to your ear or to not bother anyone else. Then the power source is placed below the desk to maintain a clean and open surface. Overall, this setup emphasizes smart design and mindful use of resources. A workspace that is built to be both high performing and environmentally responsible. Now, how is this environmentally responsible, you may ask? Well, if we go in depth one by one for our components, will know. Now, speaking of the components, let us move on to the first component, which is the monitor.
Now, here we have our monitor. The Zero M1 monitor features a stunning 32-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors, deep contrast, and an incredibly smooth motion. The large screen provides an immersive experience, allowing every detail to come to life, while the high refresh rate ensures fluid visuals with minimal lag. It's also perfect whenever you're multitasking between schoolworks, creative projects, professional work, or gaming. Now, let's move on to our next PC component, the CPU, which will be presented by John Michael.
Thank you, Aaron. Intel Core i10 16900K Extra Edition CPU. So this processor is really top tier, galing for both serious gaming and creative. It has 28 cores, so you can multitask now without any problem. Like kahit mag-stream ka while playing, and believe it's so fast, like 6.5 gigahertz. So your gaming games will be super smooth. It's also very future proof pa because it already supports AI stuff and PCIe 6.0. It's a solid investment talaga if you want the best. May I call on Jobele for case and printer?
The Aether S1 case is a powerful computer made to be the only device your desk needs. It can handle heavy work and gaming smoothly. It also has a hidden printer built inside the metal case, which appears only when needed, keeping the desk clean and organized. The EcoFusion printer is an advanced built-in printer that works directly with your computer. It supports wireless printing, uses ink efficiently, and prints on both sides of the paper, making it smart and eco-friendly choice for everyday use.
So, thank you. So, for our next is the Morpho mouse. So, hindi tayo mapag-navigate ng PC without our mouse. So, for our mouse, it is the Morpho mouse. This allows the mouse to adapt to different needs through its flexible panels and micromotors, adjusting height and its width in gaming mode. It elevates for a firm palm grip and that activates extra side buttons, while in study mode, it flattens for a relaxed and comfortable mode. So, yung more for mouse po is kinaiba niya lang sa normal na mouse. It is a smart and adaptive design which is designed para sa mga gamers and also para sa mga students. Yung features niya na pagpapalit ng shape which is yung ginagamit yung flexible panels and micro motors is nagbibigay ng better grip in gaming mode. While in study mode naman is nagpa-flatten siya para mas madaling gamitin kapag gumagawa sa sa studying. So, and syempre, kung may mouse, hindi pwedeng mawala ang keyboard. Kaya naman, i-explain sa atin to ni Ned.
Tama ka dyan, Scyther. Hindi mo magagamit ng maayos ang PC kung wala ang keyboard, di ba? Kaya I present to you the Aether K1 keyboard, which is adaptive na kung saan ina-adapt niya kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, mapa-coding man, which will make you be able to have easy access sa symbols, and in writing, in which may pattern recognition sa kung paano ka usually nagtatype. May configuration din that is magnetically attached na kung saan kapag ayaw mo ng current layout ng keyboard, pwede mo baguhin. At dahil nga it uses magnet, easily replaceable ito in case na masira. It also has both wired and wireless mode which is essential for anything that uses a battery. And higit sa lahat, may flat mode in which mareretract yung keys down to make a flat surface that you can use as a drawing tablet in case you're drawing or you're just feeling artistic. At ayun, syempre, hindi dapat nawawala ang power source na isa rin sa mga core part ng PC. Kaya ipipresent sa atin ito ni Samantha.
Okay, ngayon punta naman tayo sa Aether Current 855 power source. It's a silent beating heart of a Aether Pro ecosystem. It's engineered to deliver the stable, clean, and highly efficient stream of power to the most demanding components on the market, designed in a compact SFXL form factor to fit perfectly within the Aether S1 case. Its purpose is to provide uncompromising power with minimal waste, heat, and noise, forming the relatable foundation upon which the entire system performance is built. So, kung iisipin natin, ang power supply sa PC ay parang puso lang din ng katawan natin na kung saan tulad ng puso, nagpapump siya para mabuhayan ang bawat parte ng katawan natin. So, ang Aether Current 850 P naman ay nagdi-distribute ng kuryente sa lahat ng components ng system niya, gaya ng CPU, GPU, motherboard at iba pa. So tahimik siya pero matatag. Gaya ng puso natin, hindi mo siya naririnig pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung trabahong ginagawa niya. Stable at malinis ang supply niya na parang oxygenated blood. Kailangan ng mga parts ng PC ng maayos at consistent na power para gumana ng maayos. Compact siya at efficient, tulad ng puso na kayang magtrabaho nang hindi nag-overheat. Ang 850p ay designed para magbigay ng power nang hindi mainit at hindi rin nag-iingay. Reliable ang function niya, reliable ang foundation niya kung saan kung ang puso natin ay humina ay apektado ang buong katawan. Ganon din sa PC na kung saan kung hindi reliable ang power source natin ay babagsak ang performance ng buong system natin. So, sa madaling salita, ang Aether Current 850p ang silent hero ng setup mo. Kung hindi man siya flashy, pero kaya niya namang gumana ng maayos ang buong rig mo. Ngayon, magtako naman tayo sa next presentation na headset at speaker na ipepresent ni John Vincent.
So ayun nga, kung ang hanap mo ang new and innovative wireless Para sa itong headphone na to, this is a Ether headphone, an innovative wireless headphones with built-in AI translation technology, featuring dual microphones for real-time voice capture and instant translation. They let users communicate effortlessly across languages. A convenient translator mode switch allows you to toggle between normal audio use and translation mode. So, di ba nga wireless siya? Charge pero meron siyang alternative na ginagamitan ng solar panel or di kaya may pwede siya maging wired headphone lalo na kapag lobat ka or tinatamad kang mag-charge. So, di ba, meron itong dual microphone na nagka-capture ng boses at tunog na malinaw na nagbibigay daan para sa instant translation ng mga foreign language such like English to Filipino, Japanese to English, English to French, at iba pa. Kaya kapag meron kayong meeting with foreign people, watching movies, Netflix, or lalo na pag tinatamad kang gubasa ng mga subtitles, o di kaya nag-travel ka at gusto mo makipag-interact with sa mga tao, makakatulong ito since nag-work siya both PC and phone. It also have a software para ma-configure mo siya kung paano mo siya gusto gamitin. So, on the other hand, kapag sawa ka naman na sa headset at gusto mo ng bagong audio experience, itong kahoy, matibay, matikas, gawa sa recycled na speaker ang para sa'yo. Ito naman ang Aether speaker. It's a horizontal, eco-friendly speaker crafted from recycled wood and designed for easy maintenance. So yun nga, ang design nito is modular at madaling i-maintain since pwede mo siyang palitan or i-upgrade gamit ang mga recyclable and readily available components na makikita mo rin sa mga bahay nyo. So hindi lang siya pang practical, nakakatulong din siya sa kalikasan since mabawasan nga yung paggamit natin ng mga plastic. So sa performance naman, hindi siya magpapatalo kasi nagbibigay rin siya ng malakas, malinaw at natural na tunog para maging kakaiba rin yung mga karanasan mo. So, 'di ba? Kaya naman kung may headphone ka na, bakit hindi mo rin subukan ng speaker na 'to? Maaari mong pagsabihin dalawa para sa iyong ultimate audio setup. May headphone ka na, speaker ka pa. Kaya, 'wag ka nang mamili kung pwede naman silang dalawa piliin. And for our next slide, may I call on Sherry.
For webcams, AuraLens is an 8K HDR webcam with a wide view featuring a powerful AI engine for auto-framing and background effects that can be easily turned on or off. It includes embedded voice command capabilities, allowing the user to simply say phrases like "take a picture" or "start video" to activate the camera's function. For privacy, it has a small sliding cover for the lens and a built-in ring light around the lens with adjustable brightness. It connects universally via USB-C. Ano nga ba pinagkaiba nito sa ibang webcams? Sa webcam na to, mas malinaw ang kalidad ng mga pictures and videos at may matalinong AI features tulad ng auto-framing and easy-to-use background effects. Meron din itong voice command para sa hands-free use functions kasama ang sliding cover for privacy at adjustable ring light para sa maayos na lighting. Para naman sa next part ng setup, ipapaliwanag ito ni Zeter.
So next is yung cooler. So since ang PC natin ay designed para sa heavy workloads and also gaming and other work things is syempre magge-generate ka ng heat. Kaya kailangan natin ng cooler. So the Aether Hydro Flow 240A AIO cooler isn't just a cooler, it's the silent, intelligent heart of the Aether Pro system. It's engineered specifically to tame the immense power of the Core i10 processor, ensuring it runs cool and quiet during everyday tasks, but unleashes its full 6.5 GHz potential during intense gaming or rendering session. Its design, its design is a perfect blend for minimalist aesthetic and cutting-edge thermal technology. So yung Aether Hydroflow 240 AIO cooler is kinikip na yung system ng malamig and also quiet under heavy workloads, which is designed for performance and also to manage heat efficiently during intense gaming or rendering. And with its sleek and minimalist design, it combines power, silence, and also advanced thermal technology in just one compact unit. So, ngayon explain natin ang bawat parts ng computer. Ano naman ang FPG na inaalay nito? At ayan ang ating alamin sa explanation ni Hans.
So ayun, What makes our build special? The Eater Pro is not just an ordinary desktop, it's a complete ecosystem designed for modern users who did it all. It brings together innovation, performance, and sustainable in one clean, unified setup. What makes it truly unique is the built-in EcoFusion printer that's seamlessly integrated into a computer case. It saves space, reduces clutter, and makes everyday printing simple and efficient. Then there's Morph4 mouse, which can actually change shape depending on what you're doing, like gaming or studying. The Aether K1 keyboard, which adapt your workflow with smart function and customizable keys. To complete the experience, the Aether Pro includes stunning 32-inch OLED display from 4 variant visual and an ultra-powerful Intel Core i10 16900K Extra Edition processor built to handle everything from gaming to professional workloads. Even our Ether speakers made from recycled wood show how we combine performance with sustainability. Every detail of the Ether Pro was created to make life easier, smarter, and greener. Our project aligns with Sustainable Development Goal number 12, which focus on responsible consumption and production. This goal encourages us to use resources wisely, reduce waste, and make sustainable choices in how we design and use technology. The Ether Pro was built with this principle in mind. By merging a computer and a printer together into a single system, we cut down the materials and energy needed to produce two separate devices. The EcoFusion printer inside the Ether Pro also uses Smart Ink optimization and auto-duplex printing, which helps save both ink and paper. Our team also makes sure to include sustainable materials like recycled wood in the Ether speaker and the efficient components like Ether current 8050 power source, which delivers clean energy and minimal waste. Together, this innovation shows how technology can be both powerful and responsible. The Ether Pro isn't just a product, it's a system that sustainable design and high performance can go hand in hand.
And that's it. We hope you love it. Thank you for your listening.
Thank you, everyone.